Hello crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I'm coming on with a video that I did not plan on doing, but of course, Spellbinders has a new sale and it's a die cutting sale. Here is the graphic. I don't even have the proper name. You can get up to 40% off a select group of dies, 9 web pages full of goodness. What makes this sale really unique is a lot of new goodies are in there marked off at 40% off. So I pulled out some little samples that I can show, and then let's talk about the notables. Alrighty, let's just go right into this one. Let's get started. New items that I see that are exciting in this die cutting sale. The 4 Petal collection, the dies. I see huge winner right here. 4 Petal Thank You Floral Dies. Love, love, love. Also from that collection, 4 Petal Bloom Reflection Dies. These are 2 floral die sets that can create cards that look like this. This is the 4 Petal Thank You. This is the 4 Petal Bloom Reflection. Come on. Now in here and here, this is also on sale, which is interesting. This is the scrolled punch and pierce plate. This is 1 run of the die used on 2 cards because you get 3 sections in this one. I have another example here of that scroll punch and pierce plate. This is with a stamp, so you can work with a stamp and use it. And it's a great way of adding interest to basically a 2-dimensional. You just stamp on a sheet of paper and color in, and then here gives the stamp life and lift without having to create a scene. So that's a great idea. Then here it is with die cuts. This one, winner, winner, winner. And then also this one that I'm excited by. This is also on sale, the stitching die. I'll put the whole collection and then I'll link some of the things out of it, like these notables, plus one of my favorites. Thanks enclosed sentiments. There's the thanks right there. You get 42 cutting dies. This is on sale at 40% off. Okay? Yeah, you can take care of a lot of sentiments, including your happy birthday. Here are all the dies, but I show it to you this way because with so many dies, it's hard to read it. I'm showing you what is enclosed here. You can even get this card is full of wishes. That's fabulous. All right, up next, also in this sale, are the dies from Simon Hurley's Metamorphosis collection. Yay! That includes Everyday Sentiments dies. Love. You're seeing it here. You're seeing it on examples from me outside of his collection. I use these sentiments all the time. There's that fabulous happy birthday, thank you, hugs, hello, love, thanks, thank you, which I love that there's 2 options with that. Happy birthday, thinking of you, hugs and hello. This is a great set, Everyday Sentiments, along with his new one, Must Have, right? And also the butterflies, Brilliant Butterflies die set. This is fabulous. 6 sets of butterflies, different sizes, as you can see. Love this set. And also this one, which you're now seeing 3 versions of it. That's the stained glass window die. Nice arch, A2 die. You can do it as a shaped card, or you can use it inlay. Super easy die to work with. You can inlay it back, and because the pieces are big enough, this one is a very easy card, quick card to play with. Stained glass. And lastly, In Bloom dies. A lot of people love this one. You can take a look at the examples. I know I have one. I have no idea where my example is. Maybe I can put a picture here in the video because I can't find what I need to find. But this is an amazing die set. In Bloom dies. Love. Speaking of florals, florals are on sale. So along with the In Bloom dies, the 4 Petal with the floral thank you, we also have floral reflection. Now you're seeing some extra die cut pieces here. This is a fabulous die set. Need I say more? Love, love, love. Here she is done 2 ways, and they're both pretty. I just love this set. So floral reflection, this is on sale along with the coordinating die to cut it out, which is the essential floral reflection dies. There is about 8 dies in that set. So I will put a link for each. The bundle is not in this sale though, but I will put definitely this because this is a by far winner. Super easy to put together, but boy, is she beautiful. You want to make a stunner for somebody all year long? This is a great die set right here. Floral Reflection. Also, speaking of florals, these two are on sale. We have Bee-Ball Blooms. Yes, I have a few sets. 3 sets to be exact. So I love Bee-Ball Blooms. Here is an example of Bee-Ball Blooms. Here's another example of Bee-Ball Blooms. Love her. She's just fabulous all year round winner. Her sister is also on sale. Holiday Blooms. Holiday Blooms is the winter version. That's Holiday Blooms. So Holiday Blooms and Bee-Ball Blooms are on sale. And also Mini Blooms and Sprigs. I have been talking about this little die a lot lately. This is 3 sets as well. Great price point because you can get like 2 sets for almost the price of 1 with this sale, okay? I don't have an example close by, but I just showed you her the other day with this card. That is one of those glimmer card fronts. That's that set. Okay, so florals are on sale. Yay. Along with these florals, so are Susan's Garden florals. The ones that give you the nice 3D effect with flowers. This style. Some of these sets are on sale, so you can definitely check that out if you've been growing your Susan's Garden. I know I have. A great foundation set that's on sale. Postage Edge Collection. Now with the Postage Edge Collection, this is one that is a really good one to add to your stash. She's a 2-for-1. With the outer die, you're getting that postage stamp shape, but that inner die with that dot detail, this works on its own too. That's why I say this is a 2-for-1. And you can layer this up to make shakers, etc. Great layering set. Just love this set, Postage Edge. So there's circle, square, rectangle, oval, and slimline. All good. If you were saying, okay, I don't like slimline, I'll get one. That's a good one to get. Okay? She's a winner. Postage Edge on sale. Keeping this out. Up next, Standalone Dies at Spellbinders. One of my by far favorites that you're seeing here. This is with twine. Harder to work with. Why not go with the easier version to work with? That's that sealed twine die. So this whole collection, pretty much the standalone dies are on sale. These are your best friends when you need to put together a card. Essential diamonds and arches are also on sale. So I'll put a link below. Everything I'm showing you, I am going to detail and link below. Essential arches and diamonds are also on sale. Here is a clean example of essential diamonds in the background. If you are stuck making a card, let's say you use an embossing folder, you don't know where to go. This is with the wax seal. So that's why you're seeing wax seals on all of them. But you don't have to use these standalone dies with the wax seal. I could have done this same layout, put that sentiment, and then put one of these there, which works fabulous too. These help you to build fast, beautiful cards. Sealed twine. That's sealed twine. By far a winner. If you haven't added this one to your stash, you should. She's fabulous. This one is Sealed Berry Sprig, which is right here. Done twice, a winter cool color. And this one, I did order a second one the other day at the spring cleaning warehouse sale. You see? Fabulous. Sealed Berry. Winner, winner. This one, Flowers Die, which you're seeing here. That's another winner. I didn't get a second one of it. I had to budget. Or I would have bought the whole store. Sealed Bouquet. This is a really cool one too. Sealed Flowers. This is fabulous. I have this one here mixed with this one. Sealed Botanical Sprigs. Love this one. Look at that. Not fabulous? In 2 colorways. So this is like all year round, although it says Christmas. And this one is like a birthday one. But you can play with these sets. So I'll put a general link for these florals and you take a look. There's even a bird. This one I just hauled the other day. I didn't have this one before. This is Sealed Birds. So you get a branch and 2 birds. Haven't played with that one. I did play with this one though. Sealed Ginkgo. So the standalone dies are on sale. Isn't it fabulous? These are just so easy to make, and especially with the wax seal. I'll put the wax seal starter kit too, because this is just a fabulous set. If you've been looking at it and been wanting and wondering, it's so worth it. I have a tutorial of how to use it too. Super easy, super fun, very satisfying. Gives the ooh la la when you give it as a card. Also on sale, the tiered tray collection. This is the tier tray, and the collection includes all these goodies added into it. I did see in there too was this one. I don't have the name of it right here on me, but this balloon set, that's in the sale. So that might be one that you want to add to your stash for birthdays, etc. fabulous set. You can do this any colorway, and it takes up a nice amount of real estate on a card. Okay, crafters. Here comes my lastly. So this set is not on sale. This is the Seahorse Kisses. That's brand new. But there's elements in here that are in the sale. Here's an example of one of those standalone dies from the Sealed by Spellbinders standalone floral die, okay? This one is sealed ginkgo. So there you can use it by itself with a sentiment. Notice, no wax seal, and it looks fabulous. And here is the background of postage edge. You don't have to always use the postage edge. You can just use this part and still make a fabulous card. Love that. This was something that was in the spring cleaning warehouse sale, but the A2 size sold out. You could have gotten both together for $22 or something like that. But in this sale, I see it again, $14.99 each. So now you're at like $29. But for a few dollars more, they have this. Precision Layering A2, Set A. Precision Layering A2 Set B. This has been on my wish list for the longest time. And you're like, Suzanne, I could use my trimmer to cut a rectangle. Why do I need this? If you want to make something like this. A lot of my card making is coming back to this. I actually used a die out of here, out of the postage edge, to create this frame. I took my trimmer, cut here, the card base, dropped one of those rectangle dies. This is postage edge rectangle, so you can do it this way, but you are limited by your options. I did it like so, okay? Dropped it on here to create that frame. The pop out, notice the dot detail, that's here. And I know I talked about this when I showed this collection, that one card led into it being two cards, because this is right there. But like I said, limited because I don't have as many options as I do with this. So when this was in the spring cleaning warehouse sale, that was a great deal. But if you've been wanting it for a few dollars more, 16 dies, 16 dies. Why this is also really nice, because you can also do 1/8 of an inch matting. 1/8 of an inch matting is not like this. It's super thin. And that's why it's two separate die sets. Most die sets will have that 1/4 inch. So if you only took one, which you could do, you'd get a 1/4 inch. But if you wanted to have a thin little layering where you get another color peeking through, that's when you would do set B. These two cannot be put together because they wouldn't lay flat. That's why there is set A, set B. I saw it in the sale and I was glad to get it. A lot of people got it because it sold out. What I did see with my second order, so this was order 1, spring cleaning warehouse sale. And I thought I was going to do a haul video, but I don't think I'm going to have time to do it. It's just too much going on. I'm like, I don't know if I can do that one. I may have to do a very condensed, only show you certain things out of it, like this. This was in my second order, which was a Precision Layering Mini Slimline. At first I was like, nah, I'll stick with the A2. But then I went back and I looked at it. I was like, you know what? That's a good deal. So I went and I got the Mini Slimline. Third order, I got this. All of these sets are in the sale. So if you want just the A2 or just one of them, get that. You can still layer up just one set to create a thick frame like this and work with it. I just have like a 1/4 inch foam going around. This is nice. You can turn this into a shaker very easily. You can also do like a frame, like how I did here with the hot foiling in the back. Are you guys still like, wow, with that hot foiling workshop? I know. This is another set that I was very excited by. This is their 5x7 set. You know, if you've just looked at some of my examples I just showed, I am not afraid to make a 5x7 card. So this is fabulous for me. 5x7 Matting Basics A, 5x7 Matting Basics B. 7 dies, 7 dies. This will still give me that 1/8 of an inch all the way around. Not a bad price point for each. So this is also a nice option. These are 12 each. So for the Mini Slimline, this is kind of nice too, because you can do a lot of layers. Because I have been working with Mini Slimline, but I don't get the layers that I want. That's why I went back and got it again. At first I was like, I'm only getting one set, A2. Yeah, right. Crafters, I just wanted to hop on real quick because if you have certain things in your wish list, newer things like that Metamorphosis or that 4 Petal collection goodies, because 4 Petal collection was a big comprehensive release. The dies are in this sale. And with $100, you get free shipping, okay? You can add some hot foil rolls, some cardstock. A lot of cardstock is in stock. So if you've been looking at some of the neat colors I've been showing you with the Spellbinders cardstock, Fog, Portobello, Latte. I've been loving that Latte. Dahlia, Raindrop is back. Glacier is back. I'll just put a general link for cardstock. But the Spellbinders cardstock, hello. And if you haven't gotten brushed gold cardstock yet, what are you waiting for? She is fabulous. This is brushed gold. I have a brushed gold right there. Love. Brush black too. Love. Alrighty, crafters, everything will be detailed and linked below. I just wanted to hop on real quick and show you that there's some things that you might want to take a look at. I would still go page by page because not everything I showed you, I can't show you every single thing. We'd have a 5-hour video. But there are a lot of goodies in this sale as well, and a lot of Susan goodies. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Winner, winner. Bye.